Hey everyone, and welcome back to Rindone Travel. Today, we have a good one for you. Why to never ever use a debit card. This one needs no introduction. Let's get into it. So, I'm going to retract my statement on what I said before, to never use a debit card. There's actually only one reason why you should ever use a debit card. I bet most of you can think about it. It's getting money out of an ATM. So, I'll retract the statement, and I'll make the statement now. Never use a debit card for an actual purchase. So let's start with fraud protection, because debit cards don't have any really fraud protection. Credit cards are going to give you a lot of fraud protection benefits that the debit cards don't offer, so that should make you sleep better at night. Next, let's keep with the protection theme, and credit cards actually offer protection on items that you purchase. For example, purchase protection is actually given with a lot of credit cards, and what that does is it'll actually reimburse you for theft, loss, or accidental damage of the item that occurs with 90 days of purchasing. So all you have to do to be eligible is purchase the item with the card that offers that protection, and then if something happens to the item, you're going to be reimbursed for it. It's as simple as that. So we're going to keep going with the protection theme here. It's the last one, I promise. Credit cards actually offer a lot of travel protection benefits that you wouldn't think of. So they offer benefits such as travel insurance, rental car insurance, lost luggage insurance, and access to airport lounges. So debit cards don't really offer these perks. These benefits can actually save you a lot of time and money, especially if you're a frequent traveler. The next one I think is one of the most important parts of life to survive, and that's credit. Building credit is extremely important. Your credit score has a huge impact on your life. Whether you need a loan or a mortgage, you want to buy a car, or hey, maybe even want to buy a boat. Having good credit is the key to all of those things. So if you pay everything with your debit card, you're going to have no credit history. And credit history is pretty much your way of telling the bank, hey, I'm going to pay you back, I'm good for it. But the bank doesn't see that because all you had was a debit card. So they don't really have a way of knowing you're going to pay them back. Lastly, this is something this channel is a big proponent of, and that is points and miles. Debit cards don't offer point and miles benefits, while credit cards offer all of them. In my last video, I touched on free credit cards that offer between 1.25 and 2 times earning points on all purchases. And those credit cards don't cost a single penny per year, so there's no excuse to be using a debit card anymore. These rewards can actually be substantial over time. In an upcoming video, I'm going to be talking about the best 2-card setup, and during that video, I'm going to break down the points earnings over 3 years and how much value they're really worth. So I know this video was quick, but I just wanted to touch on this topic and make sure that no one out there was using a debit card when they could be using a credit card, building credit card history, making sure there's safe fraud protection, getting lots of travel benefits, and most importantly, earning points and miles. So did this video change your mind on using a debit card? I hope so. Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.